Hi, my name is Rachel, and this is my honest review of the P&S Bead Maker Paint Protectant. We own a detail shop, and this is our #1 choice for a quick spray detailer. First of all, it does smell fantastic, but it is really easy to use and it is ready to use. All you do is take your spray bottle, you open it up, you pour this straight in there and you close it, and then you can very quickly just start spraying your vehicle. But the way that we use it, first of all, we wash the car outside, and once we're done, we've lightly dried it, we bring it into the shop, and then we take our spray bottle and we have 2 towels and we wipe it on with one and wipe it off with the other. It's a quick buff, very easy, very simple. I think one of the best things about this and why we chose it is because it is streak-free, so you can do it very easily on all the car surfaces, on the rims, on the glass, on the trim, and obviously the paint is the main thing. So if you're looking for your detail shop or just for your own personal use, I do highly recommend this one. This is the 1 gallon size, and they also sell it in the smaller sizes too.